Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope everybody is in good spirit. Well, a 15-year-old boy is being treated for bullet wounds after an attack at a shop in Steertown, St. Anne's on Monday evening. The incident occurred about 8:15 in the community of Hollywood. My wisdom warriors, you know see wagwan in Hollywood right now? 15-year-old boy wounded in St. Anne's gun attack. When will these things stop? That is the question may I ask. When will these things stop? Because you know say, Prime Minister all over social media say crime reduce. But really and truly, it is getting out of hand. A superintendent has said something different, and Andrew Holness has said something totally different. You know see, Andrew Holness turned spokesperson for the JDF. You know see what I want, my wisdom warriors? Andrew Holness done spokesman for every single thing. Box cover. If him a spokesman for healthcare this week, him a spokesman for crime next week. Like when him ready all education in touch pan, in too much man. Him in everything. Every blasted thing him in a, and see say all no crime is not reducing. Him can't get that. You see what I notice with Andrew Holness, he's trying to paint a good picture to make it look to the outside world that he have everything under control. But that is not the truth, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness not have nothing under control. I'll know Andrew Holness don't have a crime plan. I'll know. Horace Chang, I don't even want to touch upon him. Horace Chang, I don't even want to touch upon Horace Chang. Because Horace Chang was a person of interest for organizing crime and violence, my wisdom warriors. Yes, Horace Chang, and he is our deputy prime minister. Horace Chang getting 21 million a year. 21 million a year, and it's not in the constitution for us to have a deputy prime minister. It's not in the constitution to have a deputy prime minister. So them just come up with this thing, put Horace Chang in place and pay him 21 million taxpayer money. Doing what? Sleeping every blasted day and don't even have a crime plan. You notice anytime an incident happen or a killing happen, then send out the Zozo them. Notice. Is that a crime plan? Huh? Is that how you solve crime? Every time at the same thing. If killing go on in a Green Island, then uno run and put Zozo. And then after 2 weeks, 3 weeks after, uno remove the Zozo. Killing go on at Kingston, I same thing. Is that a crime plan? When uno go come up with a crime plan? When? Andrew Holness, the time where you go around and I do PR stunt. Every time something happen. You know, say me I wonder if, my wisdom warriors, if you notice, these security forces, last month alone, they killed 10 people, in a 1 month, Notice, the security forces is KILLING of the people, them, Notice, anytime they put them in a one area, then they hear say, be a people a DED. Come on, man, come on. Something right, It make me start wonder. It make me start to think twice. Why every time when you send out police and soldiers a certain area, so when I do curfew, people always a DED. Why? Why? And then after, when you look at Andrew Holness that come on the scene and start to say, yeah, when crime is reducing. Every time somebody DED, Andrew Holness come out and say crime are reduced. Andrew, you need to stop this nonsense, because no matter how you try to make it look good, you see, America put out them travel advisory. See, they know say you're liars. Them know, because if you are do all these PR stunts and say crime are reduce, America can't see it. You think America don't know what going on? You don't think the people are idiot? My wisdom warriors, hear this. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution has made 14 rulings to the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, for charges to be laid against 16 members of the security forces. INDECOM says the rulings were not in relation to cases investigated in 2024, but cover offences allegedly committed between 2020 and 2023. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? Wanna know so me always come out. Me always come out and talk, so me not trust them police and soldiers. Me always a tell you say this, too much killing. Anywhere them go, too much things always a happen. Too much things. And the way how they treat the people them, it is not nice. Because from when I go a somebody yard and I go harass people or I disturb people. Remember, you know, sometimes people get really emotional. Sometimes some people get really upset and aggressive. And the way I see them deal with people, I never like it. I never. You understand? I always say, soldier trained to KILL. Me always tell people that soldiers are only trained to KILL. Soldiers not trained to have sympathy with UNO. That's why I don't understand how Andrew Owens always send out the Zozo them in some area. The least little thing. You understand? That's why whole heap of KILLING is happening. Because there is no crime plan put in place. There is none. So look at this now. Look at this, what is going on. Offences committed between 2020 and 2023. Well, they not tell us what type of offences. We would love to know. The public would love to know. Because look, one of the articles put out that the soldier guy, where them find DED, my wisdom warriors. Allegedly, the article is saying that he is under investigation for sexual offences. You understand? That is what one of the articles stated, allegedly. Yeah? So, this is why I always call upon the government and said, release the sexual offender registry. Because if somebody like that is under investigation for sexual offences and all them something there, and he is out about, mighty God, that's why I don't understand the government. I don't understand, Uno have people that is under investigation for sexual offences, but yet them still in the public working. Is that right? Delroy Chuck, is that right? Box cover, my wisdom warriors, we're in a trouble, you know. These are the things we're supposed to out and a protest. And I'm calling on all parents who not go out and protest. Support each other. Go out and protest, man. Me always call upon one and tell you, no, protest. Protest, don't keep these things a secret. Because look on this man now. Allegedly, one of the news article, I think it was TVJ, I'm not so sure, my wisdom warriors. It's alleged, so let me just use alleged. It is alleged that them put it out and say he is under investigation. The person that the soldier with them KILL up there, so when they finding at the car. Yeah, they must say he was under investigation for sexual offences. So what I'm trying to say, how many more soldiers, how many more police is under investigation for these things and the public don't know, and you have these people out in the public working. My wisdom warriors, this is not safe. It is not safe. If that is the case, that he was really under investigation for sexual offences, my wisdom warriors, all these things are wrong. All these things are wrong. I believe that we as a public should know what is going on. This is why I call upon the government all the time to release the sexual offender registry. But Delroy Chuck said no, him not release it. Because he believe if a man do his time and him come out of prison, it is not fair for the public to point at him and say, "I rape a boy." And that Delroy Chuck say. And Delroy Chuck said it is not fair for him to be punished a second time. Me play it over here for Uno all the time. If Uno want to see it, Uno can go up on my TikTok page. And Uno will see it. Me have it over there. You understand me? It is not a lie. So these are that's why I don't understand how comes people are defending these type of ministers. which protect, they only protect those people. They don't protect us, the Jamaican people. They protect the monsters. Because obviously they are protecting the monsters. Because if Delroy can come out and say it is not fair for them to get, for the raper boy them to get punishment second time, what about us? Nobody is not looking at us. Nobody is not looking at us, my wisdom warriors. And they're not looking at the person that was in the situation that has been affected for a lifetime. This for sure you where the government depend. And it is alleged a lot of raper boy is in the JLP party. It is alleged, Lord Jesus. Oh, me just fling out that one there, so my wisdom warriors. Yeah, it is alleged. It is alleged. So, you know, my wisdom warriors, I believe that this sexual offender registry, it should made public. We have all right. And something like this, you know, if you go out and protest about. Because our life is in danger. Because if they can have soldier that is under investigation for sexual whatever, and is out in the public working, it is not safe. We're not safe. And you can bet how many more soldiers and police is under investigation, but yet they're still out working. And every day them come out and tell we the parents to protect with pitney. So what about UNO? What UNO do? UNO government? My wisdom warriors, me have to talk about it. You know that already. Me have to talk about it. Not because UNO not see me come every day and show the pitney them. A whole heap of pitney are go missing. Even right now, there's more come out. Whole heap of pitney are go missing. And there's nothing when I hear the government say anything. That's it. Look at the 11 children that gone missing from the state care. 6 2 months ago and another 6 again. And we only see the article put it out one day and that's it. But if it was Mark Golden dual citizenship, 1 whole month, 2 months straight. This is what I try to show you. This is why I say a lot of the article them working with Andrew Holness. This is why I always say it. Because I don't have to work with Andrew Holness. Look at the boy that was a part of the shooting in Negril. My wisdom warriors. Just look at that. And he's a teacher. And what them a try to do now, them a try to protect the government because obviously from your teacher, you're part of the government because you're a teacher. So you're working for the government. You understand me? So they not come out and say a teacher, you know, them come out and show them say Dwayne Vaz in the orange shirt and then say the guy in the orange shirt. Them run with it and I say he affiliate with PNP and one bag of something. When that is not the case. That is not the case. It was actually Dwayne Val's son sports day. And I lucky things that Dwayne Vaz have them something up on the social media. You understand? And that day, Dwayne Val's son was wearing orange because I think the house where the picnic them run for wear orange. And that man is wearing orange and he is a teacher. He was a teacher and he was the head of the sports there. And you have people like Cliff Hughes nationwide I run with these things and not try to get the foundation sources. You understand me? They not try to go to the root. So we see where nationwide depend, but we know where they depend for a long time. That's why I lick out against them all the time. You understand? Come see where them depend. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, Uno Prime Minister come out and reassure Jamaican people that he have no money lack. My wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Remember, you know, say burial gone from the 3rd of July and Andrew Holness come out on the 31st of July, reminding you know, reassuring Jamaica that all donation that he receive, yeah, will spend good and he is protecting the money. Yeah, look from when burial come and gone and you come and reassure us. That's how what go happen now. Next month you go come back and reassure you again. The time when you come out and reassure you, the people them should not get help already and I get the money long time. 1 month now. And then uno same one get up across JPS, JPS slow. So if JPS slow, what about uno? Uno, listen, Patakos Kekel. Uno cost JPS slow. But uno now do not know with the money. Uno now give the people them no money. Look how long uno take. So uno forget the bashing about JPS. My wisdom warriors, uno not say what go on. You know what, we're going to elaborate after taking Andrew Wellness.
There's always a sense that whatever is given may not be properly used. And I want to reassure all who are giving, not just the United States, but all countries and all private donors, that the government takes accountability very seriously. The ODPEM knows that that is the policy direction. Whatever is given must be accounted for to the donor, to the government of Jamaica, and to the beneficiary, the recipient. There is always a sense that
So, una here, una Prime Minister, burial come from the 3rd of July. The people then start send money, straight after burial, like from the 4th of July, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, now at 31st. And now Andrew Owen, let's not dish out the money, you come and reassure. And it is an emergency. So 1 month, my wisdom warriors, I don't understand, because from my understanding, when there's an emergency, you have to get the things them the same day. As some know it go. Remember, the people them are going go through a crisis. Burial come and gone, a whole heap of people shortfall right now. So people really need help. Not coming out and reassure about this. What he's doing is a PR stunt. This what he's doing is a PR stunt. When he might come out, he might come out now and reassure everybody to make everybody know, say yes, the money, because you know me hear everybody talk, so the money now spend wisely and one bag of something. That him do. So I come and reassure the people them now. So uno Jamaican people, uno really listen to Andrew, because if this is an emergency and the people going through crisis and 1 month gone already, 1 month gone already, and he not do nothing, that no ring a bell. Let me ask on Jamaica. That no ring a bell. Let me ask both PNP and Labour right. That no ring a bell. You have to ring a bell. You don't know what emergency mean? And urgent. It's actually a crisis right now. The people them going through crisis. But you know what? Andrew no care. Andrew really don't care, because remember, the people them at Westmoreland have drought. And I believe St. Elizabeth too. But the people them at Westmoreland, them never have water. The people them at Hanover too, them never have water. But most affected area was in Westmoreland. Andrew Owners know that for months. For 5 months. I remember Ian Hales coming out, and he kept talking about it. He come and he might expose them. And then 5 months later, Andrew Owners come in a House of Parliament, open up his mouth, and said to the people them, say, I hear the cry of the people in Negril. I hear the cry of the Westmoreland people. And I'm going to allocate how much $1 billion. And we're going to get this done in 3 weeks. No, my wisdom warriors, till burial come right now and gone, and the people them still await. A whole heap of people in Westmoreland don't have light. A whole heap of people in Westmoreland don't have light. Whole heap of people. Me want everybody we are watching me right now that living in Jamaica, text me every single area when I have no light. Text me every single area and text me the name of the councillors, whether them at PNP or GLP. Text me the name of the councillors. I'm going to try to see if I can get through to them. Yeah? And because something need to be done. Something need to be done. I'm going to hear it and call out the name also of the places them when I have no light. You understand me? I'm going to tag JPS. Because this is not right. This is not right. Where people have suffered too long. Andrew Owners come out and talk about money. The ending of July. Burial come and gone from the 3rd of July. And ending of July, I'm still a talk about money and how him will issue money. Money should have issue from long time. So what Andrew Owners do is a PR stunt, my wisdom warriors. And I talk about take accountable. You not take accountable for nothing. Nothing no not take accountable for. Nothing. So what you are talking, it make no sense, brother. Because we know you. You lie a lot. You lie. You are talking about take accountability? For what? Oh no. You will break the law? Look what you do to the Maroon them. Look what you're doing to the people of Maroon. You, Andrew Owners, is a arrogant man. You're an evil man. Because if you get the money them, you secure the money them from the 4th and the 5th of July, my wisdom warriors, then secure the money. Me read it over here. In a house of parliament, them go and then secure the money. They must secure how much money they get already from the 4th, the 5th, the 6th of July. No people now get no money. And you're coming out. You have the balls to come out and tell you, say, you're reassure, oh, a really fool you take the Jamaican people for. Really fool you take the Jamaican people for Andrew Oneness. Because if you are come on the 31st of July or the 30th of July and you are tell the Jamaican people about the money, them the money should have issued for a long time. From long time. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what to think about this Prime Minister, because for me, this Prime Minister need to boot it out. This Prime Minister need to lift up. You need to go protest, man. This a Prime Minister gots to go. He gots to go. This a man is not an honorable man, you know. This a man is not an honorable man. He's not credible. Him not loving people. Because it's not hard to give the uno secure the money already. Uno secure the money already. All you have to do. If uno can't even send the money go post office. Uno can send the money go to post office and make people them collect their money. Remember say a lot of people have TRN. Uno can use them TRN and send out their money. Come on. Come on, man. My wisdom warriors, I just don't understand Andrew Oneness. One thing I want him to do, I have to do us a favor and resign. But this a man now go down without a fight. You know see? Him now go down without a fight. You know what? You see, a lot of people say when Jamaica wake up. But Jamaica, you shouldn't wake up from the time of local election. When Andrew Oneness thief the election. At that time, they shouldn't wake up. When Mr. say no found no wake up, Mr. Rotted, we in a trouble now. We're in a trouble. Look how much things Andrew Oneness get away with. And nobody now protest. Nobody now protest. You have 1 and 2 people will come out, yes. Yeah, but really nobody now, they only a protest because it affect them. My wisdom warriors, you know what? Wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Stamp up the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me, the link again in the comment section. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.